Interestingly, our target audience gets in touch with us through phone or the email, and the only medium that we are right now using to reach out to them is Facebook. So, like I said, the customers get in touch with us. We don't reach out to them yet. We have made sure that we are online, that we have a website, that we are accessible on Twitter, on email, on Facebook. So we are on LinkedIn. If you Google us, we are available. Marketing, I feel, is more about how you're doing each and everything. If my customer calls me up, the way I talk to him is marketing. The way my people behave there, the way my manager behaves during a site visit, that's marketing. The way we interact with the customers through email, through Facebook, again, that's marketing. So there are a lot of things that we plan to do on the marketing front, on the reaching out front, I would say. And since we are focusing on expanding our footprint in Mumbai right now, there are a lot of offline initiatives that we are working on right now. But then we make sure that the Hammer and Book personality shines through each and every interaction that happens with the customer, that we are helpful, that we are there out there. That's the kind of branding, that's the kind of positioning we are showcasing through every medium. That's marketing for us. It's not really. We are taking it as it comes. As the number of clients increase, we make sure that we have enough people, we have enough equipment, and we are just dealing with it slowly. We are trying to.
Any problems on that front?
No problem at all, because we are going according to the plan. We recently really understood the product that we have. We really understood what it takes to do a cleanup, what kind of equipment, what kind of money goes into it, what kind of customers will we face, what's the market that we want to settle in. It took us 1 year to really understand what's the niche we're targeting right now, what's the niche we want to target in the next year and the next 3 years. So no challenges on that front. As the business grows, your team needs to grow, as is said.